Welcome to today's video, where we unravel one of the most dynamic books of the Bible, the Gospel of Mark. If you're curious about the life of Jesus, Mark offers a fast-paced, action-packed account that's both engaging and profound. Written by John Mark, a companion of Peter, this book serves as a bridge between Jesus' divine identity and his human experiences. Unlike other Gospels, Mark is succinct, comprising just 16 chapters, but it cuts straight to the heart of Jesus' ministry, making it perfect for newcomers to the Bible. One of Mark's key themes is the messianic secret, Jesus' frequent instructions to people he healed not to reveal his identity. This intrigue is central, posing the question, who is this man? In Mark 1 verse 11, God declares, "You are my Son, whom I love. With you I am well pleased." This verse sets the stage for Jesus' divine authority. Miracles are at the forefront. From healing lepers to calming storms, Mark portrays Jesus as a compassionate healer with power over nature and evil forces. The feeding of the 5,000 in Mark 6:41-44 highlights Jesus' ability to provide and care for his followers, emphasizing the theme of abundance from scarcity. Another significant aspect is Jesus' teachings on discipleship. In Mark 8:34, Jesus says, "Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross and follow me." This challenges followers to live sacrificially, reflecting true faith. The passion narrative central to Mark, Jesus' arrest, crucifixion, and resurrection, reveals his sacrificial love and victory over death. In Mark 15:39, a Roman centurion's confession, "Surely this man was the Son of God," summarizes the awe of witnessing Jesus' divine nature. In a nutshell, Mark's Gospel is a testament to the identity and mission of Jesus. It compels readers, even today, to ponder his life's purpose and the call to follow.
So if you're seeking an intriguing and insightful entry into the Bible, Mark offers a compelling journey you won't want to miss.